Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on CR apps. Scroll down and search phone app. Click on phone app. Click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache phone app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.